If you want Chrome to open the exact page or pages you prefer every time you launch it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the startup page in Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. This is super useful if you want Chrome to open your email, your favorite website, your work dashboard, or even your last browsing session automatically. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu where you'll find Chrome settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now that you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on Startup. This is the section that controls what Chrome does every time it launches. Here, you'll see three different startup options. The first option is Open the New Tab page. If you choose this, Chrome will open a clean new tab each time with your search bar and shortcuts. This is a good choice if you want a fresh start every time you open the browser. The second option is Continue where you left off. If you select this, Chrome will reopen all the tabs you had open the last time you closed the browser. This is perfect if you like to pick up right where you stopped without searching for your pages again. The third option is Open a specific page or set of pages. This is the one you want if you need Chrome to open one website or several websites automatically every time. Click this option to enable it. Once that's selected, you can start adding your startup pages. To add a new page, click Add a new page. Then type or paste the website address into the box. For example, you could enter https google.com or any other website you want Chrome to load at startup. After that, click Add to save it. If you already have several tabs open that you want Chrome to use, there's an easier option. Click Use Current Pages and Chrome will automatically import the websites that are already open in your browser. This is really helpful if you've already set up the exact pages you want and don't want to type them in one by one. If you ever need to remove a page, just look next to the website in the list. Click the three vertical dots beside that page, then select Remove. That instantly deletes it from your startup list, so Chrome won't open it the next time you launch the browser. You can also mix and match pages if you want multiple websites to load at startup. That means you can open your inbox, your calendar, and your work tools all at once with a single click of the Chrome icon. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time every day. So to recap, go to Chrome settings, click on Startup, choose the startup behavior you want, and then add, use, or remove pages depending on your setup. That's all it takes to change the startup page in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.